Our theme tonight is the ducks are squawking. Good evening. Welcome to the Solari Report. I'm Catherine Austin Fitz, and I'm delighted you could join me this evening. And this is a blast from the past. Luis Mendez came to this country as a young Cuban refugee and had dreams of a legal career in Cuba destroyed. Instead, he worked his way up through the back offices of Morgan Stanley, rising to build the Capital Markets Group. He was recruited to run the Capital Markets Group at Dillon Reed, where when I worked at the firm. And when the market was booming and investors were screaming for product they could buy, he would boom in his thick Cuban accent, "The ducks are squawking, I must feed them." And so it is in the developed world right now. The S&P has risen to even higher PEs. The European markets have moved up a little bit, and it is also a very important election year. And with this rise in the markets, you hear the squawking sound of investors and corporate executives and bankers all seeking ways of maintaining and growing corporate earnings, and that's in the face of slower growth throughout the developed world.